I mean, this is a very different form of study. Most people will constantly go through the book, the entire thing, as much as possible, as fast as possible, right? One thing I learned from Bob a long time ago was study for a reason. Take the material and think through towards your desires, or else really there's no reason for it, right? So when we study, we want to study towards our goal. We want to study towards our desires. And one of the best ways I learned from him was take a few points and write them down, put them into a summary so that you have some key ideas and key breakthroughs you can actually be reminded of maybe for the next week or so. Keep those in front of you. All right. Let's go into head into our application stage, our implementation. What we're going to be doing, remember last week we did our end scenes in mind. We did inner conversations, right? So we had a conversation with ourselves, somebody else, whatever it was, or we heard other people talking about us to see that end scene in vivid detail and hear that. What we're going to be doing is something very similar. First, what we're going to do, though, is you're going to walk around your home, or Vladimir, I see you're in your car there. No matter where you are, you can look around where you're viewing, and you're going to provide credit to the universe. Okay, so what you're going to be doing here, let me share the whiteboard. I'll give you the quote you want to say out loud. Okay. I give thanks and full 100% credit to the omnipotent power. I'll capitalize these. You can exchange, instead of saying omnipotent power, you can say universe, you could say God, just a little different than what we would normally do, but you can absolutely say whatever you'd like. I give thanks and full 100% credit to the omnipotent power for bringing this into my life. And again, that's on the whiteboard there, so you can go ahead and copy and paste that into your notes. One more time here. I give thanks and full 100% credit to the omnipotent power for bringing this into my life. We're going to do this for about 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to put the music back on there so you have something there. And when you hear the music go off, then we'll come back together. But you're literally going to go around your place, whether it's the books, if you have books behind you, if it's the walls around you, the home around you. You want to say, I give thanks and 100%, full 100% credit to the omnipotent power for bringing this into my life. Thank you. You're basically recognizing that it wasn't just us as human beings that have provided these achievements. You were actually giving credit to the wonderful God universal power that is always aiding us. See and listen into what changes in your being, your thought change, how you feel, and what changes in your awareness after saying the statement out loud. You could say it 5, 10 times. You could say it 100 times for many different things, but try not to get it done, but rather try to be in aligned with the statement. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into it here. 2 minutes, I'll put the music back on here and provide the statement. You can keep your video on or off, totally up to you. And whenever you're ready, there's no rush. Come on back.